Alam niyo yung ang dami-daming mga choices sa Starbucks na pwede inumin. Pero ikaw naman, ito, panay pareho-pareho na lang palagi ang pinipili niyo na inumin. I don't know if pareho kayo sa akin, no? Pero that's me. Alam nyo, ang palagi kong ino-order is the vanilla frap, blend ang whipped cream, please. How about you guys? Uy, hulaan nyo kung nasaan ako. Believe it or not, I'm in Starbucks. And check it out. This is ham and cheese sandwich nila. I don't know if you've tried it out before, but I'm telling you, pinapakita ko na siya ngayon para sa'yo to let you know na maybe it's best not to try it out, no? Yung bread, hindi siya crunchy. And then, yan yung itsura niya sa ham and cheese. I don't know, maybe you should try it out yourself just to see whether you want to eat this yourself or not. Yan yung itsura niya, Starbucks.